restaurant the other day. My mom is finally here. My mom is finally here. We just go to airport. We go to airport, guys. I know you really saw my mom. Nana, I want this. I want strawberry. I want that one. I want strawberry.
Canton.
Nana, I want strawberry.
Kayo?
Nana, I want strawberry. I want to try that. I never. Wow, strawberry. Oh, that's fake. Mommy, that's only a toy food. I thought
You want pancit?
no, I want
What do you want?
pizza.
No. Pizza is not good in the morning. Hindi pancit, ha? O spaghetti. You want spaghetti?
Yes, I want
Spaghetti,
spaghetti.
ah.
Nana,
What
hold the
else?
camera.
What else? Don't touch it! Don't touch it!
Oops.
Magagalit si ate. You want fruit shake?
Yes.
Mango?
Oh, like this.
Chicken?
Yeah.
Spaghetti na lang.
Okay, and also I want to.
You want?
Yes.
2-piece chicken. Tapos, mango shake. Dalawa. Isa lang. Oh, ano to?
Let's hold it.
Why?
Guess that everybody does that.
Kanto. Hi, guys!
Hi.
Kiss me. Lips.
Ano order niyo?
Pansit tsaka spaghetti gusto mo. Ha?
I want to eat the strawberry. I never try it.
You want strawberry? Tanong mo si ate kung may strawberry sila.
Ate,
Ate, you have strawberry? May red strawberry.
strawberry. I never eat strawberry a long time.
Wala daw. Mango na lang. You want mango?
Mango, yes.
Mango shake?
Yeah, I want mango shake.
You are too big now. You are tall. I can't carry you anymore.
Wow, just
Because you are heavy.
don't carry me. Don't
Yeah.
don't
You are
pick
too
me.
heavy.
You see, I remember this place when we ordered pizza when I was 6.
Yes, we always eat here. We always order here.
I miss this place now.
Really?
Yes. I see cameras. I know when they know cameras are everywhere because we have a camera. I know they have a camera right
Yeah,
there.
that is CCTV.
Ayun is camera. Camera. 1, 2, 3.
Here. Here, at the front.
I already see that.
3, 4. Oh, it's 4.
It's so
4 camera.
we got 3 cameras.
No, it's 4.
This is the Mach 4.
Sige mo sa mami.
Nana, alam na ak sa bansikan doon.
Hmm?
Alam na ak.
What? Allowed?
Yes.
Yeah, that is not instant. Instant is not allowed to you.
Sige, shake mo.
You what is that?
Don't touch it.
There's also TV we can watch.
Pagod ako.
Ha?
Pagod.
I'm hungry too. My belly is rumbling.
Lagi ka naman na okay.
Your belly is rumbling.
Oo.
Hey, where I'm gonna sit?
Ano ulam nila doon? Hindi ka nakaluto. Ano in order mo?
Give my chesty care.
Mami.
Mami? Ayoko, Mami.
Hindi ako kakain. Gusto ko sabaw.
What's mommy?
Ang pansin
Ah.
ka, baso.
Gusto ko sabaw eh. Huh?
You. I see
You ask
you.
teacher. You ask permission, teacher.
Yes, I see you when you eat now.
Oh, it's nice now. Oh, it's even, right?
I meet you when we eat food.